Hey, what's up guys? This is Cole with CJC Off-Road. Today we have yet another build feature for you guys. Anytime something really cool comes through our shop, we like to showcase it here on our YouTube channel. What this is a brand new 2023 F250 Platinum. This truck was brought to us with a very specific build in mind. The owner's criteria is that he wanted to stuff 39-inch tires under this truck with a leveling kit. Now this is a pretty tall order, but we made it happen, and the results are outstanding, as you guys can see. What we have here is a 2023 Platinum Tremor. This truck was fully loaded. It came to us stock as far as suspension, but already color matched with all the blackout stuff that was added to this truck. Really nice looking truck, but obviously leaving a lot to be desired in terms of looks. Use case, the owner of this truck owns a construction company, and this truck is going to be a daily driver going on and off job sites and dirt roads quite frequently. So what he was looking for was something that rode great in all these situations, as well as something that could tow his trailer. So what we have here is Carli's Pintop leveling system on this truck. We added Carli's fabricated radius arms, torsion sway bar, full progressive leaf springs, high mount steering stabilizer, and front differential guard. This is basically everything that you would toss at a Carli Pintop build when you're looking to improve ride quality, not only on-road, but off-road as well. So this is kind of like a, I hate to use this term, again, we use this in lots of our videos, but a jack of all trades. But that's really what the Pintop system is. That system's designed to ride and handle better on-road, ride and handle better off-road, and to be significantly more durable than any other suspension under these trucks. And our experience is that works really well. So this truck, ride quality-wise, was actually night and day better than stock. And in order to basically get this soft suspension, but still be able to tow, we actually added full travel airbags in the back. So with these full travel airbags, you actually retain the full ability to use the Carli Suspension's rear leaf springs, softening up the ride quality in the rear of the truck. But with the full travel bags, you're actually able to quickly basically slide an aluminum plate below the airbag and have the airbags fully function under the truck. We actually have a full travel airbag video coming shortly for these Super Duty trucks, so keep an eye out for that. It's a really cool product. For those of you following along as far as what is actually on this truck, again, this is a Pintop leveling base system. The full progressive rear leaf springs added, the torsion sway bar added, the fabricated radius arms, the high mount steering stabilizer, and full travel airbags, along with Carli's differential guard. This is basically all of the meaningful upgrades in terms of ride quality, right? So the base Pintop system, the full progressive rear springs, the torsion sway bar, even the full progressive, or the full replacement fabricated radius arms do help a little bit in terms of ride quality, but the main things are the suspension itself, the leaf springs, and the sway bar. Steering stabilizer is more of a benefit in terms of steering wheel feedback, which brings me to the next part of this build, and that's a 39-inch BFG KM3 tires we stuff under this truck. Normally, this is not what we put under these trucks. This is a very large tire, but actually we measured it out and it actually measured closer to a 38-inch tire. And so we said, hey, let's give it a shot. So what we have is KMC Impact Forged wheels. These were actually anodized black, really cool finish on these wheels, paired with those 39-inch KM3 tires. They're zero offset wheels, so we had to do quite a bit of inner fender trimming. But actually, with the trimming we did, it's hard to tell by looking at it, and it's fully functional for street driving. So really cool combination there. And again, that high mount steering stabilizer with these big tires helped actually quite a bit in terms of reducing steering wheel feedback. That high mount steering stabilizer is actually a nitrogen charged shock. It goes in place of your factory stabilizer, and putting that on the truck basically reduces quite a bit of that steering wheel feedback. So all in all, actually, with all this custom suspension, with the big tires under this truck, it actually drives surprisingly close to a stock truck in terms of being under control, but you get all the ride quality and handling benefits that come along with the Carli suspension setup. For those of you who are savvy, you will notice that these tires, they are not really, and they're not an E-rated tire like we run on a lot of these builds feature on this channel. And with that in mind, we say, hey, I'm looking for what tires to run on my Super Duty. It's really important to actually look at the weight rating of a particular tire rather than the actual letter rating. Now, this particular tire may not be useful for a lot of you that are towing heavily with these trucks. For the owner of this truck specifically, it actually works out just fine. So we actually do recommend, and when you're in the research process for your build, being mindful of the actual numerical weight rating on the tires you're looking at, because that's actually what's most important. And you'll find that as you research these tires, you'll see D-load tires, you'll see E-load tires, and surprisingly, sometimes D-load tires actually carry a heavier weight rating than the E-rating tires. Again, it comes down to the very specific tire. If you're really unsure, as you're putting your build together, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help actually walk you through the process and make recommendations specifically for your use case. We really want to show this truck to you guys because this is a very good looking truck. Now, I was a little nervous when the owner came to us, wanting to run 39-inch tires. We made it work, and I'm actually really happy that we did because this is a very cool truck that we can show off with these suspension components. So we hope you guys enjoyed watching what this truck has on it. Any questions, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help in any way we can. We have a lot more content like this coming up. So if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.